Hello, this is going to be a twofer because I got two packages that arrived on almost the same day. And this first one, Tabitha's Glass Emporium. So let's open it up and share what I got. I took advantage of Tabitha's free shipping weekend. Those of you who are followers of Tabitha knows that she does this a couple times a year. So I love Tabitha's leaves. I also love leaves from others, but these large ones are just so much fun. And these are Aventurine Green, which many of you know is probably one of my favorites in the Bullseye line of glass. Who am I kidding? I like a lot of them, but anyway, really cool looking leaves, and they're very large, which I love. So really cool package there. Next one, red hearts. These are large hearts, extra large hearts. So let's see what those look like. Check it out. I was prepared this time and had my water ready so that you could see what those look like. Check that out. It's really cool. I don't know how I'm going to use them. I don't know what my project will be, but I have them and they're cool and I'm glad to have them. Strawberries. You know I love the strawberries, but these are the flowers. So I have a lot of strawberries, but Tabitha has recently come out with the strawberry flowers. Look how cool those are. These are the extra large ones. I have a lot of extra large strawberries, and so I wanted to have some flowers to match. Those look like the perfect little strawberry blooms. So thank you for those. Red leaves. Let's see what these look like. You know, I forget what I've ordered. This package actually came relatively quickly, but I'm old, so my memory is terrible. So yeah, check those out. How cool those are. Beautiful, beautiful. I can't, it's already gonna feel like fall around here as soon as I start using those. So really nice. I like these extra large sizes. Red, yellow, landscape line petals. These were just neat. I thought that, you know, they're the landscape lines that have been cut. Tabitha's stuff is just so cool. And so the opportunities are endless with these if you want to arrange them into a flower shape. They just look really cool. So that's it. Not a ton of stuff here, but as you know, I have quite the collection that's growing, and so I wanted to add to it. So that is the box that I got from Tabitha. Now the other box that I got is from my friend at Look Ma No Stands. So this is this is the most popular set I think that Patty sells. So let me get this open. I want to do some clocks, and you've seen me use the very large stand, slumping stand that comes from Look Ma No Stands. This is a set of 3 that she sells, and this size here is really good for a clock, and I just like to make a couple more clocks. And so there you go. There's you know, 3 different sizes. I'll put a link. These are kind of her most popular sizes that she sells. It's a 3-pack. These are inexpensive. They're stainless steel. Now, I always put kiln paper on this to protect it from the glass sticking, but you know, these are really nice, and you get a really cool slump on these, and so they'll make a great clock for this this size here. I suppose if you have small enough Clockworks, you could use that one, but I like this size, and I think this is, as Patty and I were emailing back and forth, I think this is her most popular seller. So if you're interested in those, I'll put the link. I don't get any kickback for this. There's no, you know, it's not an ad, but I just want to share, and you guys appreciate the fact when I share where I get my supplies. So Tabitha's Glass Emporium was the first box. Look Ma No Stands is the second box.